Namaskar, respected Director and Coordinator, HRDC DABB Indore. I, Avnish Kumar Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, DK College, Dumrao, Buxar, Bihar. My e-content topic is photosynthesis. Let's see what is the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is an anabolic process where something is produced in the plant, that is the carbohydrate. It is a process by which green part of the plant synthesize their own organic food by taking CO2 from atmosphere, water and mineral from the soil in the presence of light and chlorophyll. The equation of the photosynthesis is that is 6CO2 plus 6H2O, that is C6H12O6 plus 6O2. Friends, in the process of photosynthesis, plant produces carbohydrate that is used by all organisms on this planet. That's why plants are also known as autotrophic. We cannot produce the food carbohydrate, that's why we are heterotrophic. One thing is more important, that in this process oxygen is released as byproduct that is used by all the aerobic organisms in their respiration. Now we will see what is the site of photosynthesis. In this chapter, in this topic, we will see site of photosynthesis, what are the requirement of photosynthesis, what is the phases of photosynthesis, and what are the significance of photosynthesis. When we talk about the site of photosynthesis, we know that photosynthesis occurs in the green part of the plant where chlorophyll is present, and chlorophyll is found in chloroplast. That's why the site of photosynthesis is chloroplast in the plant. When we see the structure of chloroplast, we see that it is a double membrane structure. Inside chloroplast there is a semi-solid liquid that is known as stroma. In stroma there are stack-like structure that is known as grana, and one coin-like structure is known as thylakoid, in which quantasome is found, and one quantasome contains 230 molecules of chlorophyll. These chlorophyll absorb the light. That's why chloroplast is the main site of photosynthesis in the plant. Now we will see what are the requirement of photosynthesis. The main requirement of photosynthesis are pigments. In pigments there are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, xanthophyll and carotenoid. Chlorophyll A acts as reaction center, while other pigments acts as antenna molecule. Next one is sunlight, water and mineral. Water and minerals are taken by soil, taken from soil by the plant with the help of their root, and in the light plant absorb power, that is the 400 to 700 nanometer of light. Now what is the process of photosynthesis? Process occurs in two steps, that is light reaction and dark reaction. Light reaction occurs in thylakoid region of chloroplast. It is also known as Hill reaction, where light is absorbed, water is broken down, and oxygen is released along with ATP and NADPH produced. While in biosynthetic phase, it occurs in stroma region of chloroplast, and it is also known as Blackman's reaction. In dark reaction, that occurs by different way, that is C3 cycle, C4 cycle, CAM cycle. The assimilative power, that is ATP and NADPH produced in light reaction, are used in the dark reaction for the synthesis of carbohydrate. Okay. Now we see the significance of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the source of food and it is the source of oxygen. It is the only source of oxygen on this planet. They purify the environment by taking the carbon dioxide from atmosphere and releasing the oxygen. They maintain the carbon cycle on this earth, and directly or indirectly photosynthesis affect the whole organism on this planet. Why I am talking directly or indirectly? Because everything what we eat, that comes directly or indirectly from the plant. So friends, it is all about the topic photosynthesis. In next topic we will see a new topic in our next lecture. Till then, thank you.